Sergio. How can I help you today?
Hi Sergio, I am looking for a new smartphone because my old doesn't work very well anymore. The battery dies fast and the camera is really bad. I want something modern with good storage and a nice camera.
Of course, we have several options available. Are you interested in a specific brand like Samsung, Xiaomi, or iPhone? We just received the new Samsung Galaxy i55, which has a great camera and excellent performance for its price.
That sounds good. I have always used Samsung, so I think I'll stay with the brand. What's the difference between the A55, the higher model, the S2330?
Well, the A55 costs around 1,200 and it's perfect for everyday use, social media, videos, and photos. The S23, on the other hand, costs 2,300, but it includes a triple lens camera with 8K video, faster charging, and more internal memory. It's a phone for people who really like photography or gaming.
Wow, that's interesting. Do you have any special discount this week? I'm trying not to spend too much right now.
Yes, this week, 10 discount percent on all Samsung phones. So the A55 will cost 1,080 instead of 1,200. It's a good opportunity because the offer ends this Sunday.
That's perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Sergio, you were very keen and patient.
Yes, we have it in black, silver, and light blue. The black one is very popular. It looks elegant and doesn't show fingerprint as much.
Great. I'll take the black one. By the way, do you also sell phone accessories here?
Yes, of course. We have phone case, screen protector, chargers, and wireless earbuds. The silicone case costs 35, the leather one 17, and the screen protector is 20. If you both of together, I can you have an extra 10% discount on the accessory.
That's a good deal. I'll take the black silicone case and the screen protector. Please, do you accept credit card or cash or just cash?
We accept both, and we also have QR payments available if you prefer. What do you like me to pack the accessory for you?
Yes, please. It's a gift for myself, so make it look nice.
Sure. So to confirm it, that's one Samsung. Good afternoon. Welcome to Tech World Electronics. My name is Sergio. How can I help you today?